Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your start work to app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, click in this sign down here. You just click on it. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on settings. When you just click here on settings here, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on visual hair effects. You just click on it. Then you come to this list here. Come here to Meteor hair showers. Just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here Meteor showers here disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.